Welcome everyone to a fascinating journey into the world of crepe ginger, Costus speciosus. Today, we'll unveil the hidden secrets of this tropical botanical marvel and its incredible contributions to health and well-being. Crepe ginger is cultivated for its medicinal value and also for ornamental purpose. The rhizome of the plant is used in Ayurveda to treat cold, fever, rash, asthma, bronchitis, rheumatism, pneumonia, and intestinal worms. Health benefits. Rhizome is used to treat cough and asthma. It cures fever, headache, vomiting, and drowsiness. Crepe ginger is used to relieving asthma, shortness of breath, and obsession. They cure bronchitis and alleviate respiratory problems. Crepe ginger helps in eliminating harmful intestinal worms in the stomach. Crepe ginger reduces blood sugar level. Side effects. There are no side effects in using this product, and you can consider the medical advice for the usage of this product during pregnancy. In conclusion, crepe ginger, with its captivating botanical beauty and numerous health benefits, serves as a testament to nature's incredible gifts. As we conclude our exploration, let's remember the wonders of this tropical gem and how it can enrich our lives. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey.